Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone for beginners. To start, your main goal is to be the last squad standing. Focus on mastering basic movement like sprinting, sliding, and jumping to navigate the map efficiently. An essential tool is the ping system. Use it constantly to communicate enemy locations, loot, and objectives with your teammates. This foundational understanding will set you up for success in your first few matches, helping you get comfortable with the game's core mechanics and flow. Once you drop into the map, your immediate priority is to find armor plates and a reliable weapon. Scavenge buildings quickly, but stay alert for other players. Collecting cash is crucial. Use it at buy stations to purchase kill streaks, self-revive kits, or even bring back fallen teammates. A key moment is calling in your custom loadout drop, which gives you your preferred weapons and perks, significantly boosting your combat effectiveness. Remember, good loot management is vital for survival. When engaging in combat, always aim for headshots to maximize your damage output and down enemies faster. Utilize the environment by taking cover behind objects or structures during firefights. This reduces your vulnerability. Always be mindful of the shrinking gas circle, which forces players into smaller areas. Plan your rotations early to avoid being caught in the gas, as it deals significant damage. Strategic positioning can often win you gunfights before they even begin. If you're eliminated early, you'll often get a chance to fight in the Gulag for redeployment. Winning this 1-versus-1 duel is your ticket back into the game. Utilize contracts like bounties or recon for extra cash and valuable intel on enemy positions. Most importantly, Warzone is a team game. Share your resources, communicate constantly with your squad, and stick together. Coordinated efforts and smart decision-making are the keys to securing that coveted victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.